Friends, welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author, and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together. So friends, our today's question is explain the where and the dynamic keyword in C#. As we have already learned that these are the two keywords that we can use for initializing a field in C# classes, and we have seen and learned about the keywords in our previous videos. So this is an important comparison for an initialization of a field using where or using a dynamic keyword in C#. So let's dig deeper and understand what where is and what dynamic means. So where is used to declare a variable without explicitly specifying its type. The compiler infers the type based on the initializer's expression. So from this we can understand that where is an implicit typed local variables, and the type interference is determined by the compiler. At the compile time, the type is fixed and it cannot be changed later, and this where variables are scoped, and this cannot be at the variable. This can be used within a function or within a scope. So that the importance or uses of where. And the next is dynamic. The dynamic tells the compiler to not to perform type checking at the compilation time. Instead, the type resolution is deferred until runtime. So the dynamic itself says that it's a dynamically typed variable, and the type checking happens when it's actually getting executed, and it gives a solution for the late binding, and the property access are resolved at the runtime. This is useful for working with COM components or other dynamically typed language. And over here the reflection is the key for this type of variable. It allows the access member of if you don't know their exact type at the compile time. So that gives the benefit for the dynamic keyword. Now let's understand some key characteristics between the dynamic and the where. The key characteristic features are first the type checking. For keyword, the type checking will happen at the compile time, and for the dynamic keyword, the type checking will happen at the runtime. Binding, the binding will happen at early binding, that will be at the compile time, and for the dynamic keyword it will happen at the late binding, that will be at the runtime. The performance wise, where keyword is faster and the dynamic keyword is slower, because at the runtime it will be going for a runtime check of the type of the variable. And the last is error detection. The error will be detected for the wrong use of where keyword is checked during the compile time, and dynamic keyword we will time exception. So these are the key characteristic features of the and dynamic keywords. Which keyword need which keyword you need for runtime resolution? Comment below. So friends, I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up with our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and link exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.